Welcome to Sifnos, where Roaming Richo takes you on the quad bike and explores culinary treats such as Greek salads, local wines, octopus salads, and of course, nice relaxing beaches. Enjoy yourself an overpriced beach lounge. But you absolutely must do George's farm tour and cooking class.
The same stones we're using also for the wheel meal, for flour, but not with these big holes like this. Only olive oil, but a lot of olive oil. And now we need, many of this sauce is the half fat, half wine. We lost the half wine.
Oh yeah.
Look something very interesting. If one touch anything from this is for survival in the land. Anyone touch something, another no eating. For this is for survival, because if someone is more strong, eating everything, another no eating nothing. For this, he goes touching. After everyone should know this is my and eating. Look now. Look now. She goes touching. I try. Hello.
Oh!
Grapes for fruit, not for wine. With this way, if you leave down, that's from the leaves, and then you lost the man. Ella, read. See, normally if you put the olives in cold press machine.
As always, thank you for watching.